Welcome. If you've ever switched a website to desktop mode on your phone and want to go back to the mobile view, you might have noticed that Chrome remembers your preference. Today, I'll show you how to delete a mobile view exception for a specific website in Google Chrome so you can get back to the mobile experience you prefer. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile device. Make sure you're running the latest version so the settings match what you see here. Once Chrome is open, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on those dots to open the main menu. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will open up a new page with all of Chrome's configuration options. Next, find and tap on Site Settings. This section controls how websites behave on your device. Now, scroll through the Site Settings menu until you find an option labeled Desktop Site. Tap on it to continue. Here, you'll see a list of sites where you've chosen to always view the desktop or mobile version, instead of the default. Look for the section called Always Request Mobile Site. Under this, you'll find any websites that have a mobile view exception set. Find the website you want to change back to the default view. Tap on the site's name to open its settings. At the bottom of the site settings page, you'll see an option to remove. Tap Remove to delete the mobile view exception for that site. This action will reset the site's view preference, so the next time you visit, Chrome will display the website in its default mode, usually the mobile version. And that's it. You've successfully removed the mobile view exception for your chosen website. The next time you visit that site, it will load in the standard mobile view, just like before you made any changes. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updated Chrome tips and tricks. See you next time.